my people said, now that you have been sworn in, let us now declare our sovereignty. Let us first take all the portraits of the president in all the public buildings in our strongholds, heap them and burn them, and declare our sovereignty and begin to collect taxes. I saw that this is taking Kenya to Somalia, because we will start a conflict that can be very bloody. You know, at that time already, we said no Safaricom, no Brookside, no Virco. Then, on the other hand, the people of President Uhuru told him that what Raila has done is treason. Let us arrest him, chuck him in the prison, hang him, mambo kisha. He also saw that would create a terrible crisis. So it is under those circumstances that we met to talk. And we talked for a long time. The first time we talked for 13 hours, non-stop, from 2 p.m. to 3 a.m. 2 days later we met again for 6 hours. So a total of 19 hours of talking. The first, when we first met, we were just looking at each other. At you called me a drunkard, you called me this and that. I said, but you also called me Kimudumugiwiki. So, after hedging more than an hour, nearly 2 hours, we now sat down to talk seriously. And we took a journey down the memory lane to where we started.